Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at how to make hummus, which is better than the store-bought. Do make sure that you have a food processor for this because that will do all the heavy lifting in this recipe. These are all the ingredients that you need, and the list of ingredients will also be available in the video description. In a medium heat pan, add 1/4 cup sesame seed and roast it. You will know it's ready when the seed starts to pop. Pour the toasted sesame seed into the food processor and grind it for a few seconds. Once that is done, add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and give it a mix again. Make sure to scoop around the edges and bring it all to the center and give it another mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and give it another good mix. Now this is what the consistency of the paste will look like. Once that is done, add 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon ground cumin, and half teaspoon salt. Now add in half of the canned chickpeas and give it all a good mix. I'm adding 2 more tablespoons of olive oil and the remaining chickpeas. And one more time, give it all a good mix. Now while the food processor is on, slowly pour the water so that it will loosen up the paste. And once it starts going properly, then you just leave it for a while until you see a smooth paste. And this is how the texture will look like, smooth and thick. Do let us know how it turned out for you in the comments below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.